right, here we have a 1969 Ford XL in a nice gloss black. The paint, I would say it's pretty good shape. It has a couple of nicks and dings here and there, but as far as driver quality, yes, very much so. Chrome and bright work look good, definitely against the black paint, adds a nice contrast to it. As far as engine bay, you go check out our full engine bay undersides trunk pics at uniqueclassiccars.com. Then you got the red stripe going all the way along, and it's a nice driver quality. It's definitely held up. And again, take a look at our still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Or if you have any questions concerning this vehicle, you can always give us a call, 507-386-1726. Paint has a decent luster to it yet. And that is a power convertible top on this. It is a white convertible top with a maroon boot that matches the interior. The interior is a decent shape. I can slip in here and kind of show you it here. Door cards, good shape, definitely. You got all your power windows down here. Full seat belts. Slip in here. As you can see, it's a very stock build, nothing too crazy done to it. We got a cassette player down there. Odometer reads 9,053, which I do not believe would be original. Yep. So we'll start this thing up and we can hear how she sounds. Oh, and take a look at how nicely the doors fit and close. Nice straight seams on there. All right, got the key in. Give her a start. As you can see, no check engine lights or anything like that. She's a smooth runner. Like I said, it's clean inside and out. Slip around to the front here. Again, doors shut very nicely. Like I said, a 390 V8 underneath the hood. That is paired with an automatic transmission. She's just purring along. Nothing too crazy, but I mean, she'll get up and go if you want her to. So we can slip back to the back. And while we're walking, don't forget to check out our still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. And again, give us a call, 507-386-1726. 1969 Ford XL. Black exterior, maroon interior. Great running car.